I'm going to show the steps I use to create a MAUI Windows unpackaged app through command line and run the executable. My active .NET SDK is .NET 8. I installed it with this winget command. I also installed the MAUI workload for the .NET 8 SDK version. I installed it with .NET workload install MAUI. The total install time was about 6 minutes. If you need to install MAUI for a .NET SDK that isn't the active version, I'll leave the steps to do that in the description. I've created an empty project folder to work from. I'll change the current path to the folder. The command for a new MAUI project is .NET new MAUI. It targets the active .NET version. If I need to target another installed version such as 6.0, I'd enter the framework option. Once I enter, it creates the project. In the project folder, the project files were created. There's a default Hello World project for new MAUI projects. I'll change some text on the main XAML page to show that the build will pick up the changes. I'll change Hello World to Hello YouTube World. Save it. I want to build just for Windows, so I need the platform target from the CS project file. The Windows target is here. This is the build command. The framework option is the Windows target. The configuration option is debug. And I have the package type property set to none, so it creates a clickable exe file instead of MsixPackaging. I'll start it. The build succeeded. I'll launch the exe from the debug folder. And the app opened. I can also build and run the app from the command line. To avoid a warning message about the profile setup, I'll first go to the Properties folder and edit Launch Settings. Add a default profile since I'm not using MSIX. Save it. Then use the same command with Run instead of Build. Enter. And it launches the app. I started using command line because of performance issues in VS, but I like the workflow and being able to jump right in.